Shop Talk. We're looking at the McCulloch Super Pro 81. That's 82 cc's, 5 cubic inch. Very popular saw for cutting timber. This saw features a 32-inch 404 sprocket nose bar and a used 52 AJ chain, very popular chain. And it's got a skip sequence. This combination is very popular in the Pacific Northwest for cutting some large wood. We'll take a look at some of the features it has. Got a kill switch in the middle, oil button override. It has an automatic oiler plus the manual pump. Chokes on the other side, right here. Pull it out. Decompression valve. Push it in, it automatically pops out. Wrap handlebar. This saw had been setting for several years, and I pulled it out and put a chip in it, and just runs beautiful. Show you what that chip looks like. Here's another that I'm rigging up for an older McCulloch, and that little chip there replaces the points. Makes this a very good running chainsaw. Real easy to hook up. If you need one of those chips for your older vintage saws, just give me a call. This saw features that wrap handlebar, and it's got the old side cover, old original side cover. Looks really nice. Just a vintage chainsaw. If you collect these McCullochs, here's a nice vintage chainsaw.